Two upcoming changes to HCL Digital Experience have customers worried about their ability to keep using the software they've purchased. Digital Experience versions 8.5 and 9.0 will move to end-of-support status in June 2025, and HCL plans to remove all Digital Experience perpetual license options. Customers who upgrade to version 9.5 must move to a consumption-based pricing model instead of the current perpetual licenses they already own. Keeping software support is essential. You might think you have to move to Digital Experience 9.5 to keep your versions supported, but you don't. With Origina, you can keep the DX software you have, pay less, and continue to receive full support and maintenance. Origina's independent global IBM and HCL experts have years of experience maintaining HCL Digital Experience products. They've been working with the platform for at least 15 years. Third-party software maintenance provides ultra-responsive, expert software maintenance with support costs of up to 50% less than your current renewal. No upgrades or licensing changes necessary. Reach out to Origina today and see how we can keep your current entitlements maintained indefinitely.